Hello there, time for another celebrity makeup bag. This series is a chance for me to look through my collection and compare it to some of my makeup inspirations to see if we have any products in common. When I think of Kate Bosworth, I not only think of Win a Date with Tad Hamilton, I think sleek blonde hair, fresh clean skin, naturally defined brows, light eye makeup and a brave bold lip. It's a simple formula for natural beauty, sophistication and elegance every time. Here's a direct quote from her. In terms of makeup, I definitely believe less is more. Welcome to my channel, Kate. You're a perfect fit. All interviews and source articles are linked down below as usual. Starting with some fresh face products. If you've been around here before, you will have heard me rave about Clé de Peau Concealer. Kate says this is like bringing out the big guns, a formula to hide spots in the most light, natural, yet long-lasting way I've ever experienced. Certainly an investment, but I've found the tubes last for an incredibly long time, longer than I'll reveal publicly. She's such a fan of Glossier Boy Brow that the letters on her tube were even rubbing off. That's when you know something's well loved. It's my favourite brow product as well, a quick and easy way to add a bit of pigment, structure and hold to your brows without feeling like they're stuck in place. Kate says she really loves Rms Living Luminizer, and you can see from the state of mind that I do too. This lit from within dewy highlight is so natural you can even blend a bit with your foundation like Kate does, or just tap it onto the high points of the face. Another glow giver she reaches for is Glossier Haloscope, a very similar effect to RMS. Kate called it the best dewy highlighter hands down, so it sounds like she has a new favourite. Similar natural glow, but a slightly thicker and stickier texture than RMS for me. You can see Living Luminizer has that white pearlescent sheen, whereas Haloscope in quartz is ever so slightly more golden. Now for some colour. Kate says RMS make the best lip and cheek tint. I love their lip to cheek pot in Beloved, a pretty poppy red, but Kate's favourite is actually their lip shine in Sacred, a pinky red. Even though the lip shine is more glossy than the lip to cheek, she uses it as a pop of blush too. She says she likes to use cheek products on her eyes and lips as well, and you know I use that multitasking trick too. My dream makeup worlds collided when Kate appeared on Lisa Eldridge's channel, and Lisa used one of my favourite eye products on her, the Jillian Dempsey Lid Tints. The shade Ruby adds an unexpected pop of colour, but it's very sheer so it stays subtle. The formula is super creamy so it does crease, but it doesn't matter, does it? Keep it real, the messier the better. I've also included the shade Peach here because Kate looks so beautiful in peachy eye looks. Something about that shade works beautifully with her eye colour. Or eye colours, they're different of course. Who needs heavy eye makeup when they're so captivating already? For more easy shadow, Kate likes the Chanel Ombre Premiere Cream Pot in the shade Melody. Now I have the shade Memory, 2 letters different, closest I had, which is a bronzy shimmery gold, whereas her shade Melody is more on the pinky nude side. Both easy neutrals that are best smudged on with your fingers. To complete the look, her and my favourite mascara, Chanel Le Volume. Instant lift, volume and definition all day without looking heavy or thick. A quick bit of skincare to finish. Kate says she loves these little tubes of Aquaphor, a lightweight lip balm. Homeoplasmine is a French pharmacy product that's a bit of a cure-all for any chapped area, but Kate uses it on her lips because she loves the texture. Then this little guy, Veleda Skin Food, Kate's moisturiser of choice in winter and when travelling. She says it really is like food for your skin, but a little goes a long way. It's very, very thick and rich, so I personally only add a tiny bit in with other products, maybe with hand cream to make it more repairing, or I just pat a super light layer on top of my moisturiser if parts of my face feel particularly dry. Kate also mentioned that she loves Bioderma's makeup wipes, which I didn't have when I filmed this, but have since tried and fell for them too. I've actually never used face wipes before, but given this version is just Bioderma all over, they feel extremely refreshing and gentle on your face. Finally, Kate is an SK2 ambassador and swears by their sheet masks, mostly because she says you look so crazy in them. They're those proper, scary cotton sheet masks celebrities love that tighten and brighten the face. I got this one in a department store goodie bag and haven't used it yet, saving it for a really special occasion I guess, but I'd love to hear what you think if you've tried it. So that's a wrap on some of the things you'll find in Kate Bosworth's beauty bag. I also bought the Tom Ford Wicked Ways matte lipstick she uses in Lisa Eldridge's video recently and love the stained berry shade. Thanks for watching, see you next time.